Hi, it's Tom here from Sunsleeper Conversions. I just wanted to show you how to prep your vehicle before fitting one of our kitchen units to ensure a perfect fit. For the floor, you'll want to use a 12mm ply. These are available on our website, sunsleeper.co.uk. This is then being topped with a 2mm Altro safety flooring. For the wall panels, as you can see, this panel, and this panel are all separate panels. They're 5.5 to 6mm ply and they've been carpet lined. Take note that this panel here finishes just above this steel here, and that's what you'll need in order to ensure that you get a perfect fit with our kitchen units. For the short wheelbase T5 kitchen units that are using a Waco CRX50 fridge, you'll need to recess them into the wall slightly to avoid your bed hitting the fridge. It's approximately here that you'll cut into this wall panel to recess, but that can be measured out whilst you're fitting your kitchen unit, as that will provide the exact location where you need to cut out. So as you see here, you've got a nice profile, reach the vehicle all the way down. Guys, we get inside the vehicle, wall panel, perfect fit all the way down, all the way around, and all the way back up there. Thank you for watching our video. Feel free to take a look around our other videos on our YouTube channel, and please subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any new updated content. If you'd like to get in contact with us directly, you can do so via our website, sunsleeper.co.uk.